What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Emma Reynolds. My name is Emma Reynolds.
Are you married? Are you married?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
What time does the store close? What time does the store close?
It closes at 8 p.m. It closes at 8 p.m.
Have you finished work? Have you finished work?
Yes, just now. Yes, just now.
Do you want to come with us? Do you want to come with us?
Yes, I'd love to. Yes, I'd love to.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Thanks for asking. Yes, I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here?
I have been working here for 3 years. I have been working here for 3 years.
Where did you go to school? Where did you go to school?
I went to Oxford School. I went to Oxford School.
What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
I went shopping. I went shopping.
Why are you late? Why are you late?
I got caught in traffic. I got caught in traffic.
Have you been here before? Have you been here before?
Yes, many times. Yes, many times.
Can I borrow your book? Can I borrow your book?
Sure, sure.
Have you seen this movie? Have you seen this movie?
Yes, it's great. Yes, it's great.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work at Microsoft. I work at Microsoft.
What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend?
I am going to the movies. I am going to the movies.
Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is on October 10th. My birthday is on October 10th.
Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom?
It's down the hall on the left. It's down the hall on the left.
See you later.
Goodbye. Bro, make nice comment and follow.